I will also upload on your school app. Okay, so everything will be uploaded on your school.
Ma'am,
One second.
ma'am, when we do,
Okay,
excuse,
listen to me first. I will upload the complete chapter, assessment part, subjective question, everything will be uploaded on your school ERP, Lotus Valley app. So in e-library option, you will be able to find everything related to your chapter number 2 and 1. Students who are not having book, I will also upload the book part also. Okay, so now we are going to start our first question, that is, you can change the font style by making the text bold, italic, underline, all of these. Who knows the answer? Just raise your hands. We have discussed this thing like changing font style, and answer is, tell me. So this is the assessment part for chapter number 2. Okay, you have to open practice time in chapter number 2 of your computer book. Clear? Siddharth, Gora, please open your computer book, chapter number 2, and you have to open practice time. Okay, so answer for this is all of these. Means you can change font style. In font style, we are having 3 options: bold, italic, underline. Clear? So answer is all of these. Devendra Singh, why you are sleeping? Sit properly. Stand up and sit properly. Why you are sleeping? Okay, so next we are having dash in a document determines the appearance and orientation of the edges of a paragraph. Yes, answer anyone? I am repeating, dash in a document determines the appearance and orientation of edges of a paragraph. So answer will be, Radhika, do you know the answer? Just write in chat box. If you know the answer, write in chat box. I am reading. So Devendra is saying D. Okay, let's check if this is correct or not. Very good. So answer we are having alignment. Very good everyone. Dipesh, Sumit, Radhika, very good. Okay, moving to the next one. Which of the following statement is not true with respect to header of a document? And the answer should be, header appears in the top margin. Header holds additional information such as date, page number and document name. Next option we are having, the text inserted into header appears on only one page of document. And last, header helps to organize long document. So answer is, Priyank, Sumit, everyone is saying C. Okay, let's check. Correct. So what is the question? Which of the following statement is not true with respect to header of a document? Means आपको इसमें से उस statement को select करना है जो क्या गलत है with respect to header part. Now the text inserted into header appears on only one page. Whereas जब आप header insert करते हो, that appears on every page of your document. That's why it is wrong. So answer is C. Next question, the page numbers can be placed into. So where we can place page number? Header, footer, side, margin and all of these. Anyone? Okay, great. So answer is all of these. Very good everyone. Okay, so this thing we have completed all MCQs. For question number 1, A, answer is D. Question number B, answer is D. 3, answer is C. 4, answer is D. And that is clear. Is it clear to everyone? Any doubts, anyone in any question? Ma'am, which chapter? Very good, Natik. Big clap for you. Chapter number 2. Next we are having fill in the blanks. First is a dash is a combination of row and column that helps you to organize content in different way. Very good, Dipesh. Answer is table. So let's write here table. Table, table. Okay, and that is correct. So a table is a combination of rows and column that helps you to organize content in different ways. Okay, so next we are having the default font in Word is Calibri. Very good, Dipesh. Answer is okay. So answer is Calibri. Calibri. Everyone, correct your spelling. That is Calibri. Next, the text is applying of background color to the text. The dash text is applying of background color to the text. Highlighted. Okay, let's check if this is correct or not. Highlighted text is the applying of background color of the text. If that is saying wrong, should we write this in small letter? That will be correct or not? No, that is also highlight, only highlight text. Why is showing wrong? Ma'am, please revision. I have pending this. Means Natik. What is the meaning of this line, Natik? Please explain. You asking me to do the revision of chapter number 2, right? We will do the revision after this assessment part in next week. We will also revise the complete chapter again. Okay? So if you are having any kinds of doubt or if you were absent in the class, so no need to worry, we will do the revision also. So if we write here highlighting. Okay. So now that will be right. Yes. So answer is highlighting text is applying of background color to the text. Next we are having dash orientation means page is oriented vertically while dash orientation means page is oriented horizontally. Yes, we are having two type of orientation, portrait and landscape. So portrait means vertical and landscape means horizontal. So let's try if that is correct or not. So portrait and landscape. And spelling mistake or there is a lot of issue related to this case sensitivity. Again, wrong. So I have to check the Manchika, this is assessment part of chapter number 2. We are doing filling the blanks. Okay? Vertical or horizontal. But we have to write this thing only. Portrait and landscape. Am I seeing again wrong? Answer is portrait and landscape. Okay, so you have to write only portrait and landscape. But due to some saved data, this is showing wrong. Okay, so we have to write here only portrait and landscape. Okay, so you have to write only portrait and landscape in this. Yes, very good, Akshat. Okay, so next we are having state whether true or false. What gives you the facility to copy text without the need to retype the same text again? That is true or false? Have you tried to copy in our practical? Yes. So we are having facility provided by the Microsoft Word so that we can just copy our text without the need of retype. Okay. So next we are having the intersection of a row and column is a cell in which content of table is placed. That is also true because we design a table with the help of intersection of rows and column. So I can just explain this thing. So if we are creating like this and this. So this vertical line is called column and this horizontal line is called row. तो आप जो भी डेटा लिखोगे इसमें लिखोगे तो ये क्या है रो और कॉलम का इंटरसेक्शन है that's why that is correct. So we will just mark here true. Clear? Okay, very good. So next we are having, you can highlight text or mark different parts of a document with only one color. That is false. Because we are having different kinds of options, different kinds of colors available. So we can highlight or mark with different colors also. So Suhana is having doubt. Okay. Yes, Suhana, tell me.
मैम इस सैटरडे को हमारा टेस्ट होएगा क्या?
Yes, dear. On every Saturday, you are having weekly tests for each and every subject. That will be of 10 marks.
मिक्सअप टेस्ट
I'm sorry.
मैम मिक्सअप टेस्ट
Which test?
मिक्स होएगा क्या सब सब्जेक्ट का टेस्ट?
नहीं, for each and every subject you are having separate objective test. Like कंप्यूटर का अलग से होगा, साइंस का अलग से होगा, मैथ्स का अलग से होगा, सभी सब्जेक्ट का सेपरेट टेस्ट होगा, मिक्स नहीं होगा.
मैम जो इस सैटरडे को जो टेस्ट होगा कंप्यूटर का उसके जो भी क्वेश्चन आंसर जो एक्सरसाइज उन सब की पिक भेज देना व्हाट्सएप ऐप पे.
Okay. I will upload on your ERP. I will send image on WhatsApp also.
मैम all question answers
Okay.
of these chapters.
Okay, so next we are having paragraph spacing is the vertical distance between two adjacent paragraph. That is true or false? That is false because paragraph spacing is a horizontal distance between two adjacent paragraph. Okay, so next. So this is some assessment part. Okay. So we have completed our objective portion for the day. So these things we have clear. Okay. Now I will send you the image of all the answers and questions on your WhatsApp group, and I will also upload on ERP. Akanksha, ma'am, can you unlimited me? Means unmute or unlimited?